Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jasmine, aka Dash of Jazz, and I talk all about cooking, traveling, and living well. Today I'm showing you how to make my honey poppy seed banana bread. It's a very easy but unique take on banana bread, simple to make, and like any good banana bread recipe, it starts out with bananas. I am not honestly a really big banana fan outside of bread, so I don't keep them on hand. So the bananas that I'm working with today are not super ripe, hence the amount of elbow grease that I'm putting into mashing them and getting them to the right texture. If you're using overripe bananas that have deeper brown skin, they've been sitting on your counter for a few days, this process will move much more quickly. So I'm just taking a little bit of extra time here to really mash the bananas and get them into a super soft and smooth texture that will flow throughout the banana bread batter. And I'm using 2 bananas here. I actually considered making this another ASMR cooking style video like the one last week. However, I'm playing some copyrighted music in the background as part of my kitchen playlist, so I had to go ahead and mute everything. You will just get my voice today. But again, 2 bananas, and then I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of honey. The honey and brown sugar are going to give us a deep caramelly sweetness. Also adding 1/4 cup of milk and 1/3 cup of melted butter and mixing everything in. These are all of the wet ingredients to which I'm going to add the dry ingredients for us to get a full-blown batter going. Now that we have the batter mixed, the lumps of banana are okay. We're going to add our dry ingredients. So I added in 1½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and that is going to complete our batter. I like to mix this all up until it is uniform, just combined but not overworked. And then we are going to go in with the poppy seeds, which is the kind of special cool ingredient for this banana bread. I don't know if any of y'all are like me where you like banana bread but don't really eat bananas like that, but I have several other interesting banana bread recipes on my site, so let me know in the comments if you would like to see them. Now we are adding the poppy seeds. It's going to skip ahead to where I have 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds, which might seem like a lot, but you really want to have a beautiful tender crumb and a bread that is like speckled with poppy seeds. That's how I like it anyway. The end result is really pretty, and you will get an image of me, or some video, sorry, of me slicing it. It comes out really beautifully. I bake this in a loaf pan for 45 minutes at 350, and I will be sure to link the full blog post with the printable recipe card for you in the video description. But that is how the batter comes out. I think it's just gorgeous. And skip ahead to my beautifully fully baked loaf. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little shorter than the ones I usually do. To be frank, I have a lot of stuff going on in the background, so I am just doing what I can, and I will have some more in-depth detailed videos coming up for you in the next few weeks, including a travel vlog or vlog that I'm very excited about. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.